My name is Xoli Mngambi, and I had the privilege of being program director here at the launch of the Saint-Gobain Africa's new fibre cement manufacturing plant. What stood out for me is the importance of investment, because above everything else, this is a 500 million rand investment into building materials that are being built here in South Africa, and that means you are growing jobs and you're building skills in real time. Also important is partnerships. Partnerships, that means you had government, business and global leadership all in one room, and it puts paid to what we're constantly being told about global partnership. That's important. But ultimately, sustainability is the name of the game, because yes, with modern buildings, it means that we also have got to be responsible about the resources we use and also being gentle to planet Earth. And I think this company has tried to bring all of that together. That for me is a major milestone.